Right, you've got to hold the carrot. No, hold the carrot.
Hold the carrot.
Oh, look at it.
Hold the stick. Don't touch it. It's very burny, okay? Just hold the carrot and have a look at it.
He's doing some shapes.
Well, is that fun? You catch something before? No.
Just having fun.
Have a look. Look, watch Ashley. That's it. Yay!
Thank you.
That was really good, mate. Well done. Oh no! Gone! No touching now.
Come on, get in. Let's get in.
It's gone. Okay.
It's gone now.
Oh, gone.
Yeah.
Whee! Arabella, be careful. Oh, you got another one.
Just hold on to it a minute.
Ashley's all done.
Cody's all done nearly. We'll get some more in a minute. Can you spin it?
Yay.
I'm going to write your name.
She's right. It's burny, but you're okay. Look, show Daddy what you got.
Yes, Arabella.
Stand still, please.
Go.
Finish up burning. That's it, stand still. Good girl. You see that on like Facebook? Right, give me that.
No, don't touch it.
Don't touch.
Don't touch.
Good girl.
Good girl. Shall I get some more?